Hi, I'm Cree. When it comes to an original built masonry fireplace, the terracotta flue lining inside doesn't last that long, especially when there's fires being run. That wear and tear on the terracotta flue lining eventually splits them in half. Today we did a chemical cleaning in the inside of the lining to get it ready for the refractory mortar that's going to be parged inside of the terracotta flue lining. What we call this is PCR, which is Poultice Creosote Remover, which all that black stuff that sits in the terracotta lining system basically gets those tiles nice and orange and ready for the refractory mortar to be put inside the terracotta flue lining. All right, so with the scaffolding, if you notice, the chimney is a little bit out of the roof line. Me being 5 foot, I can't get to the top of it, or I can't do that safely. So today we put up scaffolding to get to the top of the chimney safely so we can do our PCR treatment. PCR kind of looks like a gray pudding. It definitely smells very chemically, and then we just smear it along the walls with our crank, and we get a custom fit sponge that goes inside the terracotta flue lining and just coat the walls to get them clean.
What does it taste like?
I'm not sure.